Hi. So thank you for subscribing to the channel and being here. And I love answering your questions, at least the ones I can, the not so embarrassing ones. And I'll start off with one that I think is pretty important. Somebody asked me, what advice would you give to people fresh out of uni and new to their career? Hit the ground running. In fact, don't wait to graduate to get a job. I think one of the biggest mistakes young people do is that you go to college for 4 years or 3 years, and you spend those 4 years thinking about when you finally get out, not understanding that you live in a world that allows you to start writing your CV today. So you want to be, I don't know, a writer. Why don't you have a blog already? Why are you waiting to come out of university and then hear that the job ad is asking for 3 years experience, and then you say you're experienced in Tatoa Wapi when you could have been blogging so you can actually show your work? Why are you waiting to show people what you can do on camera work when today you can shoot anything on your cell phone? I mean, it's a 4K camera, thank you very much. Don't wait, number one, to graduate to begin working on your dream or your chosen career. And number two, hit the ground running. And by that I mean, don't wait to get a job, okay? A lot of people seem to think that I'll wait until the right thing comes along. Let me tell you how the working environment works. When you're in, you can hear about the thing that might lead you to your ultimate dream job. But when you're sitting at home, nobody's gonna knock on your door and say, hi, I've got your dream career. But the way it works is when you're in and you're in the know. So hit the ground running and don't waste a moment from the day you leave fourth form. I always say this, I was working from the day I finished. I've left fourth form on the 28th of November. I was working on the 4th of December. I've never not worked and I've never been broke. It's as simple as that. So please don't wait. And good luck, okay? Perfect.